My name is Mark Daly. I'm an immigration lawyer with Immigration and Naturalization Attorneys. I've been an immigration lawyer for almost 10 years and I've helped thousands of people get green cards through marriage. One of the main questions that comes up is, if I have a criminal conviction, can I get a green card? Well, I want to tell you that there is hope. The Immigration Service has built into the law different types of waivers and pardons for people who have criminal convictions. So it's very important that you hire a good immigration lawyer to help you when you have criminal convictions, because the law is changing. The law says that basically when you're getting a green card, you need to be a person of good moral character. So any crime that you've been convicted of, then they're not going to give you a green card because it's proof that you do not have good moral character. In addition, there are specific rules for what they call admitting people into the United States. And the Congress, senators and representatives have decided there are certain crimes that are so bad that we're never going to admit you because you've got certain these types of crimes. They are crimes involving moral turpitude, which means crimes that are really evil intent. It can even be a theft crime, actually, because when you steal someone, they're saying, oh, that has an evil intent. Controlled substances, crimes of violence, aggravated felonies. All different types of crimes can actually be a grounds of inadmissibility. So if you have a criminal background, you're going to need to want to talk to a lawyer to see about going back and maybe getting the sentence vacated or changed. You know, the criminal justice system in the United States is a machine. And they take plea from people who may not have committed the crime, but if they don't plea guilty, they're going to go to jail. So while they're waiting for a trial. So a lot of times people will plead even though they're innocent just in order to get out of trial. So if that's happened to you, you might have a basis for going back, reopening your case and going, I made that plea, but I didn't know what the immigration consequences were going to be. The Constitution of the United States provides for the right to counsel, the right to a good attorney. So if you didn't talk to an immigration attorney during your criminal trial, you might have a constitutional reason to go back and vacate the sentence. Also, the Fourth Amendment requires that you be protected from illegal searches and illegal seizures. So if there was in your criminal case an illegal search and illegal stop, that could also affect your immigration case. So you might want to go back and explore some of those ideas in your criminal case. The last one is the Fifth Amendment, which is a great way to turn over an old case, which is what they call the due process part of the Constitution, which says you have the right to bring all of your arguments before the court. And they have to listen to you and they have to give you a chance to actually talk about your case. So if you didn't get a chance to talk to the judge, or the judge ruled against you in a way that wasn't fair, then that's another way you might be able to set aside a criminal conviction. But as you can tell, these are very, very complicated legal issues. But I want to give you hope. I want to say, you know, there is hope. If you've been convicted of a criminal offense, you might be able to go back and get that taken care of. Now, if you wanted to choose an attorney to do this, you're going to want to use an attorney who has actually experience working with criminal lawyers. And I can say that I have done this a lot. So if you want to contact me, you can reach me at www.immigrationvisaattorneys.com, and you get my information through there. But whatever you do, I want you to know that there is hope and wish you the best of luck on getting your green card.